this is what we learned today because there's no school because of the corona. And then I'm gonna be talking about the triangles. That's right here. Okay, so we got the equilateral, and then this is all the same sides of like a triangle. So if you if there's like a triangle that has equal sides, that's all the same length. And then isosceles triangle, that means two of them are the same, but the other side of it, the triangle, it's not the same. And then we got a scalene, and they're all different. All the sides of the triangle are different, because that's why it's called a scalene. All of them are different. So make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.